Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable building a Helpdesk app with Zendesk and Retool step by step clearly. To start building a Helpdesk app with Zendesk and Retool, first, log in to your Retool account. If you don't have an account, sign up at Retool's website. Once logged in, create a new application by selecting Create New from the dashboard. In the Application Builder, click on the Resource tab to connect to Zendesk. Select Add Resource and choose Zendesk from the list of available integrations. You will need to enter your Zendesk domain, API token, and email associated with your account. You can find your Zendesk API token under the admin settings in your Zendesk account. After entering your credentials, click on Test Resource to ensure the connection is successful. Once the connection is verified, click on Create Resource to add Zendesk to your Retool application. Next, begin designing the interface of your Helpdesk app. Drag and drop components like tables, forms, and buttons onto your app canvas. For displaying tickets, add a table component to the canvas. In the table settings, connect it to your Zendesk resource and select the List Tickets API endpoint. This allows the table to pull in existing ticket data. To create a new ticket, add a form component to your app. Bind the form fields to the appropriate data points required by Zendesk. Make sure to include fields like subject, description, and requester. Next, add a button to the form labeled Submit Ticket. Set an action for the button that triggers the create. Now configure the button to reset the form after the ticket is successfully created. To enhance functionality, you can enable notifications for ticket creation status using Retool's Alert component. Drag the Alert component onto the canvas and set it to display messages based on API responses. After completing the components, preview your app to test its functionality. If everything works correctly, save your application. You now have a functional Helpdesk app integrated with Zendesk using Retool. Adjust the styling and layout as needed to fit your brand or personal preference. Once satisfied, your Helpdesk app is ready to be deployed for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.